A common misunderstanding of tort law among the general public is the belief in a right to privacy, and in particular, a right not to be photographed without permission. That right, as such, does not exist. Taking a photograph of a person is not a trespass to the person, and taking a photograph of land is not trespass to that land, provided it is taken without the photographer physically trespassing. In this case, Saban was allegedly using his residential backyard as a junkyard. It was full of scrap metal. The Bathurst City Council wanted to do something about it, and during their investigation, they took photos and video over the fence. Saban objected to the admission of that evidence on the grounds that it was taken unlawfully, because it constituted trespass. Justice Young disagreed. He said, "When a person takes a photograph of someone else's yard, he does not have to go onto that yard, but by standing on a public street or on adjoining land, he permits light travelling from objects on the yard being photographed to pass onto the film in his camera. This does not amount to any trespass, either to land or to airspace." He did accept that there are some restrictions on the ability to photograph someone else's premises. He said, "There are restrictions on taking and or publishing photographs in breach of contract, where they are libellous, where there would be a breach of confidence, or where they were taken for a criminal purpose. There are two other exceptions, namely publication of photographs of a ward of the court and situations where the photographs in question are offensive." From this case, which builds on a long line of earlier cases, we confirm that the right to occupy land without interference or trespass from others does not extend to a protection from having photographs taken of that land, provided the photographs can be taken from a position which does not otherwise constitute a trespass. It should be noted, of course, that there have been a number of statutory developments which have come since this case was handed down. The Privacy Act 1988, for instance, but also updated defamation laws and laws preventing conduct such as stalking and revenge porn. None of these, however, change the fact that taking photographs from outside the boundary of premises is no trespass upon those premises.